This is the cuckoo clock I picked up from the auction. Fixed it all out, up on the wall, fixed it. I don't know if I've done a video on this, I don't know, but it's all working now. Problem was the cuckoo clock cuckoo won't come out, so I fixed that. And the detail on it, quite good detail on this one. Big weights, look. There's the weights. I've set the pendulum at the moment because we've got a reset at the top. So I keep going to move the hands round now, move the hands round to the half past. If you do the arrows. The detail's quite good on it, look. There's two L's at the top, look, two L's at the top. There's at the side, there's the nest. We've got that one there, look, that one. We'll fix that with the moment. Put new bellows and new hands on that one. That's a little project to do. I'll tell you what, it's a very nice cuckoo clock. It's a Black Forest cuckoo clock. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you.